I'm going to do questions 12 and 13 together. They're the last two, and they're not so much word problems as they are like math definition kind of problems. So for 12, what's the expression of the product of x and 24? The product is simply the answer to a multiplication problem. And but the word product is specific to multiplication. So if you said A times B equals C, C would be the product. And just for reference, if you said A plus B equals C, C is no longer the product because there's no multiplication happening. In this case, C is called the sum. I don't think you need to know sum. That's just a little extra information, FYI. So since we know that x and 24, if it's a product, we know we're multiplying, then x times 24, and we don't have a number for x, so it's just going to be 24x is going to be our answer. And I've already selected that because I did it before I started recording and then I can't undo it. So anyway, expression of the product of x and 24 is 24x. Now we've got if the quotient of x and 12 is 4, what is the divisor? Quotient means division, and it means the answer to a division problem. So I'm going to erase that. And so if it's a quotient, then it's the answer to, so something like A divided by B equals C. Now the answer to that is called a quotient. And so then we've got, if we say 12 divided by x equals 4, because we know that the 4 is the quotient, and that's how we know that it's the answer, and also how we know that we're dividing. So 12 divided by something equals 4, and so we can say 4 here plus 4 is 8 plus 4 again equals 12. So it takes 3 4s to equal 12. And so that is our x in this case. And that is the divisor. The number that we're dividing by in this case is x, so we need to solve for x. Unlike in the 24x problem where we don't have enough numbers to actually get a single number for the answer, in this case we do, and that answer would be 3.